How to solve CapCut app not installed. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you frustrated because your CapCut app won't install or you keep seeing that annoying app not install error? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix it in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right into it. First, let's understand why this happens. The common reasons include insufficient storage, corrupted APK files, or compatibility issues with your device. First, go to your phone settings, then check your available storage. CapCut needs enough space to install, so delete unnecessary files or apps if your storage is low. Next, if you are installing CapCut from an APK file, make sure you have enabled install from unknown sources. Sometimes the App Store acts up. Clear its cache and data by going to settings, then go to App Store and tap clear cache and clear data, then restart the App Store and try again. Lastly, make sure your Android OS is up to date. Older versions might not support the latest apps. And that's it. One of these steps should solve the issue and get CapCut installed on your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.